This video provides an overview of the basic steps to take when using LicenseWise to develop quotes for your Microsoft Volume Licensing customers. To get started, sign in to LicenseWise with the same Windows Live ID you used to access the Microsoft Partner Portal. After signing in, you can easily change your country and language if needed. Now, you can create a new quote by either product or program. Or you can retrieve an existing quote by entering a Microsoft LicenseWise or Microsoft License Advisor quote ID number. In this demonstration, you will learn how to create a new quote for some Microsoft products. At the top of the screen are 4 different tabs: Product Selection, Program Selection, License and Media, and Quote Overview. Begin by adding products to the quote. On the left side, in the Microsoft Product Offerings area, select Office 2010 and enter a quantity of 150 for Office Standard 2010 and click Update Quote. Next, select Exchange Server 2010 and enter in a quantity of 2 for Exchange 2010 Server Standard and a quantity of 150 for Exchange 2010 Cal User. After you have updated the quote, you can confirm the number of selected products in the top left-hand corner of the screen under the Product Selection tab. Next, go to the Program Selection tab. This video uses the program type of Microsoft Open Value and the default licensing program configuration options. If you are not sure about a certain option, you can click on the information icon for additional details. You can also find more information about the selected licensing program on the right side. After you have confirmed your program configuration options, click Update Quote. The licensing program used in the quote is shown under the Program Selection tab. Go to the License and Media tab to select the options for each product shown in the Items in Quote area on the left. The default settings for Office Standard 2010 are displayed. If you make changes, click Update Quote. Complete the same steps for Exchange 2010 Cal User. Now you are ready to review the final quote by selecting the Quote Overview tab. You can view the Software Assurance Benefits entitlements by expanding the Software Assurance Benefits section. In the Product Overview section, you can change the product quantities and add a percentage markup or markdown. If changes are made, click the Refresh Quote button. Please note, LicenseWise defaults to estimated retail pricing unless you are authorized to see a net pricing quote. If you are an authorized Microsoft distributor and have appropriate permissions, you will see both estimated retail pricing and net pricing. When finished, select the Save Quote button at the bottom of the page to save it to your personal quote workspace. To easily retrieve your quote in the future, enter a unique name for this quote and a comment. Then click Save Quote and a confirmation notice is shown. You can download a customer-ready quote or a reseller cost detail report. The reseller cost detail report shows the price and margin details, while the customer-ready quote only shows the customer end price. After your selection, click Download Quote. You have options to download the quote to Microsoft Word or Excel. You can also add or remove additional sections in the report. We encourage you to start using LicenseWise today to create a quote for your customers for all their Microsoft Volume Licensing product needs.